In this video, I am going to show you how to configure Tp-link Archer C20 router. For this purpose, we need to log in the router via web browser. The default router comes without password. In the first setup, we need to configure the password. First time we have configured the password, that password we need to use for the configuration. First, I am going to show you how to change the wireless name and wireless password. This router is dual band router. If you want to change the wireless name and Wi-Fi password, you need to manage 2.4 giga and 5 giga wireless. Here first I am showing 2.4 gigahertz. For this purpose, you need to select wireless 2.4 giga option. For changing the Wi-Fi name, here you can change wireless network name, then press the save button. Don't forget, if you are already connected with Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi will be disconnected once after changing the settings. For changing the password, we need to select wireless security. Here we are able to see wireless password. We can input the new password, then press the save button. Here I am not changing any settings. The same way you can do the configuration of 5 giga wireless option. Now I am going to show you how to enable the Gust Wi-Fi in Tp-link Archer C20 Wi-Fi router. For this purpose, need to select the Gust network. Here we need to enable the Gust Wi-Fi network. Also select the Gust Wi-Fi network isolation. Here we can choose the band. If we select here, we can select the dual band option for Gust Wi-Fi. Here I am pressing the option and enabling 2.4 giga and 5 giga option for Gust Wi-Fi. Then press the save button. Now the Gust Wi-Fi network option is available for configuration. Here we can choose the band, then enter the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. For the Wi-Fi name, you can enter the network name. For the security, for getting the password for Gust network, we need to select the security, then select the security method, then enter the wireless password for Gust Wi-Fi. Once after, press the save button. Now I am going to show you how to do the DMZ in this router. For this purpose, you need to select the forwarding, then select the DMZ option. First enable the DMZ status, then enter the DMZ host IP address. Once after entering the IP address, you need to press the save button. Now the DMZ is configured. Except port forwarded port, the rest all the port will be forwarded to the DMZ server. If you want to disable the DMZ, select the DMZ status disable, then press the save button. Now I am going to show you how to do the port forwarding or virtual server configuration. For this purpose, you need to select forwarding, then virtual server, then press the add new. Here enter the service port, which is the port we are using for external access. Then enter the IP address of internal server. Then enter the internal port of the server. Then select protocol. Here you are able to see TCP, UDP and all. If you are selecting all, that means UDP and TCP will be forwarded. Otherwise, you can select TCP or UDP. Then status as enable. Then press the save button. Now our port forwarding has been completed. If you want to edit the port forwarding, you can use the edit button. If you want to delete the port forwarding, you can delete the selected policy. You can add multiple port forwarding with different IP address and different ports. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.